Hmm? Hmm. Oh. Oh. Hmm? Hmm. Oh. Hmm? Hmm. Oh. Okay. Got it? No? I will tell you. This is a mystery. Let's solve it. Solved! Now you need to wear warm clothes and hold an umbrella, cause it's going to get very cold and rainy as well. Today we are going to the place which is just 3 hours away from Mumbai, but a very strange place. This place is known as Reverse Waterfall in Pune, Maharashtra, India. Yes, much to everyone's amazement, I am discussing the magnificent natural creation known as the Reverse Waterfall. Located at a location known as naneghat in Maharashtra, Pune. The actual reason why it looks like the water is going upwards is the strong force of the winds that push the water in the reverse direction. Wind speed here is more than 100 kilometers per hour. The trail of naneghat is just 5 kilometers and an easy one. Actually, recently I have come to know that India or the whole of subcontinent is very scenic and beautiful, but is less visited as compared to Europe or Western countries. So do give me ideas about different places of subcontinent in the comment section to make video on. And do not forget to like this video.